cyetabirwemo abeebembezi ba district abashubuze na bamwe ombajukirwa b'ibigombe bitari bya government.
We have had some changes on the IRA system that was given to us, and most of the functions are not working, and it is affecting our performance, especially for development control.
Health workers are not working. Health workers had salary increment, but if you go on the ground, as far as I'm concerned, Shoma district, I'm at 39%.
Who are from the center, especially Ministry of Gender. Is it last year, but one, there was a program when we were starting this parish model concerning community development officers in our local governments. They had wanted to give them motorcycles so that they can help them move around as we implement the parish model. So I'm asking the Minister of Gender, what happened to the motorcycles?
PDM is a great thing, but the problem is that we tend to hand over PDM to young intellectuals who actually do not understand what people want. They have never lived in the village, they don't know what village life is. Where I am here in Mbarara, I'm in a village called Saversel. There is no poor person. In that sense, everybody is driving laborers, till everybody is rich. So they gave us money. They gave us money, they sent money to ourselves, to the chairman, everyone. People refuse to take that money.
Enshonga yo kurinda ibyo bahangwa na munonga umurishema nacyo kigambiro honga kikuru.
An array of UPDF officers, and I will not share away because we are all of us. UPDF officers have now turned their guns in our Shema district to come and destroy wetlands, and we have a list of them.
Abajo Ministry ya local government babagarukiremo banje no kubashaba na munonga abeebembezi b'endembo okuratira eba kubashaba ko kanditse amataka okuratira contract zo kuhereza abantu.
On land distribution, some districts have been penalized on assessment. We have been losing marks because some sites didn't secure land titles.
Abatebekanisa ntibajyangwa ibiganiro nk'ibi nibikeyongera okuzoma byanga byo no kwetorora ihanga ko mu gumo yo kongera kuteekateekyera je Uganda abw'Mbarara y'umwaka 2023 abwa TV West ndi Senyomo Gideon aho muri Mbarara.